Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by powering off and removing any cables. This prevents accidental damage and keeps connectors clean. Once done, place the headset on a soft, flat surface and inspect where the pad meets the ear cup. Use a small flat tool or your fingertips to find the seam, because understanding the attachment method, snap ring versus adhesive, determines your next move. Make sure to keep the old pads for reference and photograph the orientation so you install the new pads the same way. You now remove the old pads carefully to protect the driver and frame. Once you locate the seam, pry slowly around the cup. Short, controlled motions reduce stress on the foam. If the pads are glued, warm the adhesive for about 10-15 seconds with a hairdryer to soften it. This helps lift the pad without ripping. After removal, clean the rim and any adhesive residue with a cloth and isopropyl alcohol so the new pad adheres evenly and the speaker ports stay clear. You fit the replacement pad by aligning its mounting ring with the ear cup. Start at one point and press around the circumference so it seats evenly. Once the pad snaps or sits flush, run your finger around the seam to eliminate gaps and to ensure consistent pressure on the ear. Then power on and test at low volume. This verifies seal and comfort. If you hear buzzing or uneven sound, reseat the pad, reclean the rim, and repeat. Often a missed edge or trapped fabric causes problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.